Hello, this is Scott Wacheno, editor of Telecoms.com, and I'm delighted to be speaking to Fengwei Chin from Huawei. Today, we're going to be speaking about multi-operator core network consolidation, specifically in Indonesia. So let me just start by asking about the Indosat Ooredoo Hutchison project and why they chose MOCN, which is how we abbreviate that, for their network merger project, and what were the challenges for the networks that IOH met when the three companies merged?
It's like combining two separate highways into one super efficient highway to offer faster and wider connectivity to the users. So there are a few options to merge two operators. So MOCN is selected as the lowest cost and the time to completion, and also to maintain the best user experience during the phase of the project. And the challenges we see as the complexity of the issues will be on the spectrum reshuffling, and to ensure that we have the coverage, user coverage experience to be maintained during the time of the integration.
Okay, thanks a lot. And what steps had IOH and Huawei taken to maintain or even improve the customer experience during that network merging process?
Okay, the process starts with the planning phase by considering the coverage, capacity, and quality factors together with the OPEX and CAPEX concern. We did accurate planning, simulation for the MOCN site selection, continue to implement process by adapting seamless network integration method in the tight schedule, and closely monitor and manage the experience and quick troubleshooting in optimization. We are also able to minimize the network disruption and to keep the user experience at a good level.
Great, thanks a lot. So what significant outcomes did IOH achieve after the MOCN project was accomplished?
There are some highlights improvement that Indosat when we finished the MOCN process. From the user experience perspective, we observed the third-party evaluation data, especially from Tutela, has greatly improved and bringing the operator to the #1 ranking ahead of the competitors. While the throughput increased almost 30%, and the user experience throughput increased 5 Mbps, which is 5% more in the open signal report. Application-wise, from the Facebook and YouTube, latency improved up to 30 to 50%. And from business perspective, Indosat recorded a total revenue of a high-quality customer growth by 4% year-on-year, and the traffic increased almost to 17% year-on-year.
Great, okay. And so lastly, just taking a step back, how did that MOCN project impact the digital life of Indonesian people on the whole?
The key to unlocking the full potential of Indonesia digital life lies in narrowing the urban and rural digital divide in Indonesia. Since currently more than 70% of the urban residents has internet access in 2021 compared to significantly lower 50% in rural area. So with this MOCN process, we are able to reach out to more than 17,500 islands. By merging these two networks, the internet access has become larger, and local communities will be able to enjoy wider internet coverage and allow them to exchange information, giving positive aspect in their digital life.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much. It's great speaking to you.